Good morning. This is Mcwu with Madison County Weather Updates, bringing you the TrueView Severe Outlook for today. There is severe potential this afternoon, so we're going to take a look at it. Here is the latest Storm Prediction Center outlook for today. Pretty much all of central Indiana and northern Indiana is in a marginal risk for severe. I had the red dotted area on yesterday's SPC map, and I think I left that there today as well because I still think, if anything, I could maybe expand it a little farther west. But I really think northern Indiana, northeastern Indiana are going to have the best opportunities for some severe this afternoon. But we'll keep an eye out as the front comes through. I forgot to put in here, but the main threat that the Storm Prediction Center has for today is damaging wind. So we'll take a look first at the model data, and I'll show you the radar at the very end. But here's a triple R model, just kind of giving an idea. Again, the models don't handle these things very well, even at high resolution. But this gives you an idea, and a little bit of a change in timing could make a difference on how these play out for Madison County. But this is HRRR's rendering at noon at 1. So by 1 p.m., the storms will be getting close to northwestern Madison County. By 2 p.m., they are into Madison County. By 3 p.m., that initial line is pressing out of Madison County. Timing wise, if this occurs about an hour later, then we have a better chance for some severe to pop up with this initial line. At the current forecast timing, though, it looks like it is going to get here a little earlier. So severe with this initial line seems less likely for Madison County. Then if we press through at 4 p.m., and you'll notice kind of up here in the Gary to South Bend area, you begin to see some new development occur. And that then gets itself organized by 5, 6, 7, 8 p.m. We could have some broken lines moving in here. Again, timing is going to be everything. If this secondary line then comes through an hour or two faster, then our chances for some severe increase. Again, damaging winds are the main threat. I still wouldn't rule out some small hail, but there's very little in the way of tornado dynamics at all. All of the dynamics are pretty low end, but they're there just enough that you have to be aware that it could happen. And then by 9 p.m., the secondary line, the main cold front, is beginning to push through. The wind shift occurs, and cooler air and drier air begins to move in. So that's kind of the timing of the way the storms look this afternoon. I am going to take a look here for you at the current radar looking out into Illinois, and we can see, again, kind of this broken line moving across. There's a severe thunderstorm warning here. There's some severe or some special weather advisories. So some strong winds are occurring with the current storms. Again, this will late morning is and early afternoon are generally, unless you've got a good wind driven event, late morning, early afternoon, really not good for severe. So these will probably begin to lose some of their punch as they come across into Indiana, and then redevelop mid to late afternoon. So where this initial, again, if this initial line comes through and doesn't get here till 3 or 4 p.m., we could see some strong storms from this. But the pace it's on, it's probably going to get through here by about 2 p.m. So then we'll be watching the secondary line ahead of the cold front for our severe potential. So we'll see how that times out as the day goes on. And I will update you as necessary. So this is Mike Mitchell with Madison County Weather Updates. Have a great day.